10 vegetables seniors should never eat. A balanced approach. Are you a senior looking to optimize your diet? Hold on. Before you reach for that salad, let's talk about some vegetables that might not be your best friends. This isn't about deprivation, but about making informed choices for your health and well-being. It's important to understand that there's no definitive list of vegetables seniors should never eat. A healthy diet is all about variety and moderation. However, some vegetables can pose challenges due to digestion issues or potential interactions with medications. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with vitamins and antioxidants. However, they also contain compounds that can potentially interfere with thyroid function. These compounds can inhibit the thyroid's ability to absorb iodine. This is especially important for seniors, as thyroid function tends to be more sensitive in older adults. If you have thyroid concerns, moderation is key. If you enjoy these vegetables, don't eliminate them entirely. Instead, cook them thoroughly, as this can help reduce the impact on thyroid function. Also, be sure to discuss your concerns with your doctor. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens, are excellent sources of vitamins and minerals. They are particularly rich in vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting. However, this high vitamin K content can be problematic for seniors taking blood thinners like warfarin. Vitamin K can interfere with the effectiveness of these medications. This can lead to inconsistent blood thinning. If you're on blood thinners, it's essential to maintain a consistent intake of vitamin K. This doesn't mean avoiding leafy greens altogether, but rather eating them in moderation and at regular intervals. Always consult your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. High-fiber vegetables, including beans, lentils, and peas, are beneficial for digestive health. They promote regularity and can help lower cholesterol. However, their high-fiber content can also be a challenge for some seniors. For some, high-fiber vegetables can be difficult to digest. This can lead to bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort. This is especially true if you're not used to consuming a lot of fiber. If you experience digestive issues with high-fiber vegetables, start with small portions. Gradually increase your intake as tolerated. You can also try cooking them thoroughly to make them easier to digest. Nightshade vegetables, such as tomatoes, potatoes, eggplant, and peppers, are staples in many diets. They offer a range of vitamins and minerals. However, they contain a compound called solanine. Solanine can cause digestive upset in some individuals, particularly those with sensitivities. Symptoms may include nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. While not everyone is affected, some seniors may find nightshades problematic. If you suspect you're sensitive to nightshade vegetables, try eliminating them from your diet for a short period. Then, gradually reintroduce them to see if symptoms return. Keep a food diary to track your reactions. Raw vegetables offer a wealth of nutrients and enzymes. However, they can be harder to chew and digest compared to cooked vegetables. This can be especially problematic for seniors. Chewing raw vegetables can be difficult for those with dentures or other dental issues. Poorly chewed food can also be harder to digest, leading to digestive discomfort. Cooking vegetables softens them, making them easier to manage. If you have dental issues or digestive sensitivities, opt for cooked vegetables over raw ones. Steaming, roasting, or sautéing are great ways to prepare vegetables while retaining their nutritional value. You can also try blending raw vegetables into smoothies for easier consumption. While some vegetables may present challenges, it's important to remember that fruits and vegetables are essential for a healthy diet. Here are some tips to help seniors enjoy vegetables without experiencing discomfort. Cooking vegetables thoroughly softens them, making them easier to chew and digest. This reduces the risk of digestive discomfort and allows you to absorb more nutrients. Steaming, boiling, roasting, and sautéing are all great cooking methods. Consider adding herbs and spices to enhance the flavor of cooked vegetables. This can make them more appealing and enjoyable. Experiment with different combinations to find your favorites. Avoid overcooking vegetables, as this can deplete their nutritional value. Aim for a tender, crisp texture. This ensures they're easy to eat while still retaining their vitamins and minerals. Opting for vegetables with lower fiber content can be easier on the digestive system. Carrots, zucchini, and sweet potatoes are good choices. These vegetables are still packed with nutrients, but are less likely to cause digestive upset. You can also peel vegetables to reduce their fiber content. The skin of many vegetables contains a significant amount of fiber. Peeling them can make them easier to digest. Remember that fiber is still important for overall health. Don't eliminate it entirely from your diet. Instead, focus on consuming a variety of vegetables with varying fiber levels. Start with small portions of vegetables and gradually increase your intake as tolerated. This allows your digestive system to adjust and reduces the risk of discomfort. Pay attention to how your body responds to different vegetables. Monitor for any adverse reactions, such as bloating, gas, or abdominal pain. If you experience these symptoms, reduce your portion size or try a different vegetable. Keeping a food diary can help you identify trigger foods. Remember that everyone's digestive system is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Listen to your body and adjust your diet accordingly. Maintaining a balanced diet with a variety of fruits and vegetables is essential for seniors. While some vegetables may pose challenges, they don't necessarily need to be avoided entirely. Focus on well-cooked, easy-to-digest options and listen to your body's signals. Remember, this video provides general information and should not be considered medical advice. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized dietary recommendations. They can help you create a meal plan that meets your specific needs and health conditions. Ready to take control of your health and well-being? Schedule a consultation with a registered dietitian today to create a personalized meal plan that works for you. Don't wait. Invest in your health and enjoy a vibrant, fulfilling life. Click the link in the description to find a registered dietitian near you and start your journey to a healthier you today.